Welcome back to the Halftime Report. Piper Jaffray calling Nike, Under Armour, Ulta their top retail picks for 2019. We've made them our calls of the day. Amy, we go to you. Nike's your biggest retail position.
Yep.
So what do you think
I thought
here?
it was a great call. The stock's done really, really well. Their digital initiatives are paying off in dividends. I love everything they're doing. The stock has really outperformed, and it's a big weight for us, so I haven't been adding to it. And if it keeps outperforming at this level and I see opportunities in other stocks, I may trim. But they are on fire. They're doing almost everything right. The 12-city, 10-country strategy is great. Their new innovation, I think Nike's definitely the one to own.
They're all in on all three of these names. Overweight across the board. Under Armour gets a 69% upside. Josh, they go $30 target. Yes, that's a couple bucks down, but they say it's one of the better names to own into 19.
So Under Armour has been one of these names that just every time it has a good quarter, the next quarter is a bomb. And if it can break that cycle finally and have like some incremental positives with each quarter they report, I do think attitudes around the stock will change, and I think a lot of shorts, frankly, will come out of it and look for something else to go after. But until then, like, I would rather pay up for it once we know that they've really gotten the stock on solid footing. So I'm not saying they'll be wrong or it can't happen. I'm just saying that technically the market is not buying into that just yet.
Still up quite nicely year to date, Doc, is Under Armour. Yes, it's come back down with a lot of other stocks. But it's going to have in total a pretty good year as it tries, gets a lot of these issues out of the way and looks forward to operating the business.
You don't see nearly the amount of excess inventory just being shoved out the door into the TJ Maxx, Marshalls kinds of outlets, which you were seeing a year ago. So this means Plank and the team are managing the inventory better. And they're more in line with what the consumer wants, apparently. Because if they were shoving that much out the door before, that wasn't what the consumers wanted. And I saw a lot of that stuff, and you can understand why. Of these, though, I like the Sephora and Ulta. I know Ulta's the one that they talk about here, Scott, but I like that because I just can't believe the margins they continue to get at these kinds of stores, whether it's Ulta or Sephora. I think that is a very interesting play, even though it's 21%
Everybody's trying to look good for the gram.
295, 295 price target.
Yeah, that one looks interesting. And LVMH, of course, owns Sephora. So keep your eye on LVMH as well, because I can't imagine too many things they're doing wrong.
All right.